It starts with the leader. If the leader is not willing to be vulnerable, it's going to be very difficult for the rest of the team to feel that they can do so as well. So modeling the right behaviors is certainly an important part of building psychological safety, but there's also norms, little rituals that teams can put in place to help create that psychologically safe environment. So little rituals, modeling behaviors, certainly are ways in which we can start creating psychologically safe teams.
You can help them understand what listening really means, listening to each other. You can help them to understand that their role is also in the group to be at service for each other. So, that helps people to be not afraid of being judged, but being helped and supported by the other. And so I think role modeling is important. So how do I react? Am I defensive? Am I judgmental? To what extent can I hold a space which is safe as a person?
So what can you and your team do to create psychological safety? Well, I think first of all, you need to have the right team. You need to hire the people that you trust, that have a track record of solving problems, and that you can trust with a lot of autonomy. And then secondly, of course, you need to let go of that fear of failure and really entrusting them with bigger and bigger projects, right on the edge, right at that limit where you feel, it's a little bit uncomfortable, but let me take this chance. I trust this person. And then thirdly, what you want to do, of course, is be a role model for this. Show vulnerability, show that you also make mistakes, and redefine fundamentally what failure means. And really showing that failure is an opportunity to learn and not something to hide. I think with this picture, we're getting a glimpse into a culture of a company where people are willing to fail fast in order to innovate faster, where people are willing to accept mistakes, to have a certain level of tolerance for mistakes in order to serve progress, in order to serve learning fundamentally.
Inviting the challenge, inviting the questions, inviting the engagement and the interaction, that is a signal that says it's safe to question things. Now that's how you respond when someone is brave enough to actually step forward. You can encourage that behavior to come back forward by asking questions, open questions. So you put forward an idea and you invite what's good about this, what's bad about this, what have I missed, what concerns do you have? And then receive all of the feedback with a generosity of spirit, with an appreciation, amplifying. Great, glad you asked. Let's take that, let's explore that. The more open and vulnerable a leader can be, kind of saying this was a near miss, or this was a mistake, or this is something that I was involved with, it didn't go well, sharing the learning from that, demonstrating that we can all be human, funnily enough, and that we can learn. Our conversation here is to learn and not do it again.